Hi Mark, here's a little tutorial of how the actual chin control, chest control works. So in front we've got the main joystick that's mounted to obviously the chest brace. I'll show you how that fits in a second. But for starters, so on the joystick, the on and off button. We've got the function select symbols and we've got function select. If I press function select, this will change the speeds up to the maximum, your max, and down again. You shouldn't need to use this, but if we explain the other buttons, so on the left-hand side, on and off. And we're back in drive. On the right-hand side here, we've got the function select button. So this is your button. Now, a short press on here will change your speed. As you can see, these green lights are going up. Max speed. And back down to speed 1. Now, so we keep scrolling. And back to speed 1. So you have 5 speeds set for yourself. Now, if you long press this button, and I'll show you now on the main joystick, a long press will take you into your functions. Now we can see on the function dial, we can see the stand recline function, and on the controller, it's telling us stand and recline. If you want to use this function, much like the old chair, you push forwards or back. To the desired position you want. Again, if we short press on our function button, it will scroll through the functions. And one more press, and we're back to stand and recline. If I hold this button again for a long press, this will then, as you can see, you have no indication on the function dial. This is because we're now on the main joystick. This is for carers, friends, family, etc. Once you're in this, only you can give it back. They can take it if they want by using this button, but you would just long press and it takes you back. Anytime in this top corner here, you can see a CR400, you're in control. I'll change it again. CR400, it's your functions. One more press, long press. This is the handset, the main joystick on here. And as you can see, it says REM. That means that they are in control, not yourself. But to get it back, we just long press on the button and we're back to CR400. The joystick itself, if I turn this around, is quite long. See how you get on with it. There are some other options we thought of, but this is probably the best out of the lot we've had feedback from so far. There is a ribbed rubber texture on the top. So obviously, if you use it under your chin, you can drive it quite well. And I've driven it around the workshop and it works quite nicely. Again, on and off. Short press to change your speeds. Long press to come into your functions. Short press to scroll through your functions. Long press to give control over to the main joystick. And long press to take back control, so you're using the joystick itself.